Save yourself a lot of time and stop making so many repetitive formatting changes in Power BI. Just edit the theme itself and you can make everything happen at once. It's something I feel is used far too little. So if we go into this, just go to the view pane at the top, and all of these are different theming options. You can hit the drop down arrow though, and this is where it gets fun. This will affect everything in the Power BI document. You can of course browse for themes locally. You can go to a theme gallery online, but what I like using is customizing your current theme. So if I click this now lets you set the default for everything when it comes to visuals, text, the title, what font size, what font family, but specifically with visuals, say if you really like there to be a border on your visuals, you can turn that on, increase the radius, and even add, say, a header if you want, a tooltip, whatever you like. So now my default is to, yes, I want to have a border on visuals. If I hit apply and paste in a visual here, you will look, there is a border on this visual. How cool is that? Just a nice and easy way, and you can see it even added a border here on this arrow. So you have to be careful about that. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. But just one easy way to unify all of your formatting and make sure everything is exactly how you want it with as least amount of work as possible.